in, that's the parachuters. Let's hope that canopy's open. We've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we've got 4 canopies in the sky. That's exactly what we wanted to see. So the first guy down on there's an RLC canopy there. That is going to be Big Al or Vance Allen, depending on which one you want to call him. We'll call him Big Al today. Okay, so he's going to be the first in the arena. Second into the arena is going to be Sergeant Dean Hoskins. He's the team leader of this display. And the jump master. Okay, so what you see them doing now is setting themselves up. They're all looking at each other, making sure that they're all in the right place, so that they don't collide, and that they come into this arena nice and tightly and put on a really good display for you guys. So as I said, we've got Big Al coming in first. He's going to be coming straight across the arena there. Okay, these canopies that they're flying are called ram air canopies, and they're very, very easy to control. You pull down on the left toggle if you want to go left, and you pull down right if you want to go right. Okay, as you come into land, you'll see the front of those canopies lift slightly, and that is because they've pulled down on both toggles, called the brakes, to give it a little bit of flare. And that gives us just a little bit of lift there to be able to land nice and softly rather than cruise straight into the ground, which is not what we like. Okay, so we have Big Al coming straight into the arena there. Nice little landing, hopefully. And a flare, flare, flare. And there he goes. Well done, Big Al. Okay, and second, we have the lovely Dean Hoskins. He's ginger, but we try not to hold that against him. Okay, and he's coming in, flying the core flag with that Union Jack canopy. Okay, and here's the one.
And he can have a chat to you as he walks along the crowd line. Smoke on and over the top. Perfect loop, climbing, hanging on the prop, and all of a sudden the negative will take over, and down he comes on a stall turn.
Test your new camera out.
As I say, I don't know what he's got lined up for his display because he didn't know before he got in the plane to fly it. So I had a negative report from him. Looks with smoke always look good. And again. And if the smoke had stayed there, we'd have had a nice heart to finish with. He's doing very well. He's following my instructions perfectly. From the loop, do a barrel roll, climb the offset. There we go. Nice barrel roll. Into inverted, into return half Cuban. Front clover coming up. Water. And play. That's the RES element feature. Plays for flying to the RES. They automatically wave mic. They know the crowd's going to be waving to them, so they like to do something back in return. It's either a waggle of the wing, or as you can see there, with a lovely cockpit like that. Still got the rest of it, handbrake start. Here we go, down the runway. Drop now. Oh, you're a bit of smoke on, a bit of power on that as well. whether he'll turn and come back down the runway. I hope he will. But he's going the wrong way to covering. Back in the aircraft. But he's going to turn it to go straight off. He's fine doing it. 1 hour's flying in that is 1,200 litres of fuel. So that's a lot to burn off. He's going to go now to Chile Castle. The passenger power is taking place. They've only got this and the movement is saying we've got everything else. Papers, yeah. There they come. 2 van RV8 and the announcer. That's the height the red arrow should have been. These two will not disappoint. Now, just had minute 0, then come round, topside pass with a vertical wing over. We will have a few loops, I should think. You can hear the speed build up, come back to the display line. Got the side lights on so we can see them. Up. That's going to be the first one loop, hopefully. And look at that, they're together. Synchronized is the word. 1 loop. Second loop coming up. They've kept tremendous sedation on each other. And roll off the top and move over. There's your loop. Back round, are they going to do a third? Oh yes, very nice. Human synchro, there we go. No con. Rolling loop, together, put your eyes above doing the same thing at either end of the runway. We'll be coming back down the centre line.
You ready?
Very fast step. Well, they've got a closing speed there of nearly 400 miles an hour, so they've got to know what they're doing, and these boys certainly do.
You're going to meet at the back.
Alice has been a display pilot. Very nice indeed. Formating up on each other again now. Back as a pair. I saw a little snippet on YouTube of these two doing an air show at Budapest, and they have that's definitely not the fastest. Misinformation. I'm afraid that's what you can get from a fly past. Smoke on, down the runway, up turn. Now when they did that at RAF Barry, they were 20 feet above the deck, so that was impressive, but off they go now to do a full house display at RAF Cosford. He's coming round on a tighter turn. I don't know whether it's feasible even with your long lenses to get the shot there.
And the flying at the shape of an arrow.
The red arrow.
Flying at the shape of an
Yeah, that should be it. We're going in the cloud now.
Playing together. Hurricane close to turn. That's Mark 2D. I think it is Hurricane. Come back on the Hurricane. That's the PZ 865. Nice climbing road over there. They do treat them rather gently, but obvious reasons. They're older than this plane is actually just a year younger than me. Now, on the other end, Spitfire just doing it. Nice curling growler. Lift wing. Out with rolling capabilities. Spitfire still doing workout. Trouble is, all we get from that view is the other side. We don't get the top side. Arnhem visit several times. It can be converted several configurations. The last remaining tail dragger twin-engined aircraft in the RAF, and it's used to help train the pilots for multi-engine systems for taking on the Lancaster. You notice that it's got the white stripes on the surfaces that indicate D-Day heritage.
Yeah, I thought it was in the D-Day colours.
Manufactured in the States in 1942, so it's a year older than me.
No, it's not. It's not a
Flying
Lancaster.
beautiful. I wish I could fly like that. My arms get tired now. Good head-on shot.
Straight at us, look.
Oh, the beautiful back turn. Yeah, we were very pleased to have that aircraft a couple of times. After the war, this particular aircraft went to the Royal Aircraft Establishment at Farnborough, and it did all sorts of work there. Had holes put in all parts. You have to tie the loadmaster in, otherwise he can be thrown out quite easily.
Is he waving? Yeah, he's waving. Look.
Somebody there waving away, so what his display length is, I don't know, we haven't been told.
See the wheels going up now really slow.
So I assume it's not going to get the gears still
One at a
down.
time.
To speech barons and things like that.